Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Peppermint Brownie Cake Pop from Starbucks. So one of these here has 170 calories, 7 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbohydrates, with 20 of them being sugar, and 1 gram of protein. So this is their festive cake pop, and cake pop's really good if you've never had one. They're basically just cake inside of a little icing shell that's on a stick. They're really good though. So I'm going to get right into this. 170 calories, not too bad. It's like a Timbit, but thicker. Timbits are donuts from Canada. Wow, it's so good. So it's like candy cane on the outside. And once you get into the inside, it's like fudge brownie, chocolate cake, but thicker. It's really good. The peppermint taste is very similar to their peppermint mocha or peppermint hot chocolates. It's like that same taste to it. It's really good. Yeah. Very, dare I say it, it's moist. It's got a good like thickness to it on the inside. Like it's kind of like cake, but it's very, I don't even know the word for it, but it's good. So I'll give the Peppermint Brownie Cake Pop a 7.5 out of 10. What I like about it is it's got like a candy cane taste. Very similar to like a peppermint mocha or peppermint hot chocolate, which are really good drinks. I love those around the festive season. The brownie on the inside is good too. Like it tastes kind of like their brownie, but also like if you ate a brownie and chugged a peppermint mocha right after it. It's got like that candy cane taste no matter what, because you can't avoid biting into that. So pretty cool. I like this little festive treat Starbucks whipped up for us in the holiday season 2021, 2022 now. It's really good. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.